It's always a fun event to be able to bring announcements like this to the forefront, especially when they are created organically, as this one was, with relationship building. And that's been Blount County's strength over the years, is cooperation and relationships. I want to extend a very much a heartfelt thank you to Governor Haslam and Commissioner Haggerty and the Tennessee Valley Authority. They've been very instrumental with us in bringing this project forward to Tennessee, and have been great partners in this process with us. So it's with that I'm going to be quiet and introduce our guests here. David Kidd with Surface Igniter. He's been named the new president and CEO of the division, and Miguel Rodriguez is with here with leadership positions with the company too. And if you would join me in welcoming David Kidd to the stage to make the announcement for our new headquarters and manufacturing operations.
For being here this morning and for allowing me the opportunity to share what I consider an important decision and exciting news for the city, county, and the state of Tennessee. As President and CEO of Surface Igniter, LLC, I'm pleased to announce our decision to relocate our Puerto Rican production facility, the corporate offices, warehousing, and distribution to Maryville, Tennessee. This move will allow Surface Igniter to remain competitive in our current market, and it will also allow us to be more competitive globally. Surface Igniter is the leading manufacturer of silicon carbide igniters for the gas appliance and cooking industry. Surface Igniter has been in business since 1969, and we are looking forward to a long tenure here in Blount County. The decision has been a very serious decision for the company, and we have been working for the past several months to determine where are we going to relocate. The short list, not being so short, was down to 4 different areas in New York State, Mexico, China, and obviously Puerto Rico. We developed criteria that was important to us as to where we wanted to move. An example, the workforce, the availability of the workforce, the skill level of the workforce. Important, very important to us. Transportation. Can we get our raw material in? Can we get our finished product out? And what's the cost of that? A big piece of the puzzle for us was power cost. Our process is extremely electrical driven, let's just put it that way. And so power cost was a big factor in our decision. The taxes, something that's always a favorite subject to all of us. Again, we looked at that situation, and we looked at the community support. We took this criteria and we evaluated it as a company, and we scored these items in each of the areas. And you know, I'm pleased to say that Blount County came out on top. And it wasn't because these other areas did not want our business. They really did. They wanted our facilities to be located there. But they didn't have the organization. They didn't have the people to bring all of the different agencies together, which Blount County has, and you should really be aware of that, and it should be something that you should be proud of.